Welcome to my channel. How to fix Epson L3210 driver installation error easy guide. Step 1. Restart your computer. Restart your PC before installing the driver to clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Check USB connection. Ensure the printer USB cable is properly connected and not damaged. Step 3. Download correct driver. Go to the official Epson website and download the latest driver for L3210. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click the driver file and select Run as administrator to avoid permission issues. Step 5. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off antivirus software temporarily as it may block installation. Step 6. Remove old drivers. Go to Control Panel Devices and Printers. Remove any old Epson printer drivers. Step 7. Use compatibility mode. If installation fails, right-click Setup Properties Compatibility, select older Windows version. Step 8. Check Windows updates. Make sure your Windows is fully updated to avoid compatibility errors. Step 9. Restart Print Spooler service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc. Restart Print Spooler. Step 10. Reinstall driver properly. Disconnect printer right pointing arrow, install driver right pointing arrow, reconnect printer when prompted. Thanks for watching.